Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Discord black screen mobile. Firstly, get up to that application, and what you need to do next, you need to go to your settings on your phone and you need to go for applications. Then you need to choose up the manage application setup, and on the search box you need to type for application. In this case the application is called Discord. Type for Discord, click on it, and then scroll down, and as you can see right down you have three options, and you need to choose the second option. On the last tag you have clear data. Click on clear data and go for clear OK. Go on the second one and go for OK. The last thing what you need to do, you need to go on your Play Store and you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Discord. If you don't have it, just go and update it and get the latest version of Discord. After that, just go and uninstall the application and then reinstall it again and take a look on that. I hope that guys help you. Take a look, and if you have any problems, please comment down below in the section. See you soon guys.